my friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. If you're new to my channel or you simply want to repeat previous lessons, I'll leave for you link down below with the playlist Beginner Violin Lessons, and you'll find there everything what you're looking for. So today I'll teach you how to play with your bow on the string and with your left hand. It's time already to bring everything on. Today's exercise will be from the lessons when we were playing with you pizzicato. So like this, I hope you won't bother anymore about the note location in the first position, and more you will be concerned about the position of your right hand, your left hand, the positioning of the bow on the string. This is very important stuff for you as a violinist now and in the future, because less mistakes we will do with you now, less mistakes you will have in the future, and it will be more easier for you to work on your own. Also, as lessons with the pizzicato and the left hand, I took one lesson per string. This time it will be the same thing. We will take step by step. So today we will talk about this string, and I think we should be done talking. Let's start working. Before start to play, check your right hand. Your right hand have to be in the right position. And the right hand wrist cannot go down. The shoulder have to be down. Elbow don't have to be next to your body or stick to your body. But also don't put your elbow too high. Your bow have to be in a parallel with the bridge. Your bow have to be always in front of you, not going at the back or too much in front. don't forget to click on the bell so like this you will get a notification. And in general, you will be able to learn something new and even more. See you next week. Bye!